messages. Lalo na ni Miss Ariana Ridan, ni Sir Voltaire, and ni Max Shamsi. Eto na, this is it, ano. Eto na yung dreams mo. Dream nating lahat. Because I knew it. Kasi I saw something in her nung ipanganak ko pa lang siya. Kasi nakakaiyak ka mamaya. Iyak tayo na. Anyway, kasi ako kasi yung yung mapapaniwalain, yung mapamahiin. I always believe in destiny. Kasi ang daming pinagdaanan ng anak ko. Hardship in life, family problems, and anything. Pero look at her. She's really a queen. Ito lang masasabi ko, anak. Do not lose the fire inside you. Because you are a queen. You are a dragon queen.